Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I've created for you 2 simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. As always, they're simple and affordable. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off today with this beautifully shaped glass container. I first saw this container on I Style My Styles channel, and when I saw it in person at Home Goods, I had to have it for a DIY. Right here you see me painting the lower half of the container with white craft paint. I'm going to be using these Glam stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. After I'm done adding the zigzag stickers along the bottom of my container, I'm going to go in with these pearl stickers from Dollar Tree. I've added a lid so that I can put some vase filler in the bottom of the container, and I won't have to use so much. Before I add my base filler, I did add a push light, and you can see that right here. Also guys, this light is on a timer, so I won't need to go back in and turn it on and off. And here's what it looks like. I really do love it. Now I do want to point out, you guys can definitely add flowers if you want, but I just decided to leave it with just the push lights. So what do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this glass container from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it with some gold paint on the lower inside and the top. Once the paint has had time to dry, I'm going to go back in with this clear Elmer's glue and then also this imitation gold leaf. I'm going to be using these gold stickers that I had left over from a previous project. And so here's how it came out. What do you guys think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video because I really did enjoy making it for you. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.